Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert your remaining Maltese tokens into coins before the Maltese exchange store closes in Heartopia. So the Maltese event is already over, but the exchange store is still available for a limited time, so players can spend their leftover Maltese tokens. And if you no longer need special Maltese items, you can exchange your extra tokens for gold, which is a common currency in Heartopia. And here's how to do it. First, just tap on the club, and then just tap on the puppy gacha machine, and then just tap on the go redeem. And then in here, just scroll down until you find the code like this, and then just adjust the amount like this. Just exchange your old token into a coins like this, a coins or codes like this, and then next just tap on purchase like this, and then just tap on confirm. And just like that, in here you can see it. Every one multi token equals 50 gold. So if you still have a lot of token left, you can get a pretty good amount of gold from them. And so make sure to spend your remaining multi tokens before exchange store disappears at the 27 May. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.